So this is just little potatoes chipped up into little squares. I'm making a chicken soup. Um, there's onion in here, a little bit of cauliflower, a little bit of broccoli, quite a bit of carrots and frozen carrots and peas. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of these tiny soup noodles when they've boiled up a little bit, so I can get the starch out of them and then put that into the soup. And I used the seasonings that I used. I put a little bit of brown gravy. Let me show you the brown gravy that I used, which is this one right here. I used like half a capful, or maybe a 3/4 of a capful of that. And then I put a little bit of, yeah, you can see my chocolates there. Okay. I put like 6 envelopes of these sodium-free chicken bouillon, herbox. And then I also put in just I put salt, onion powder, some parsley, some pepper. You have to do that to your, what you prefer. Do some taste tests and get it to how you like it. And just mix that up. I also added, to give it that little extra flavor, I'll show you what I put in there. 1 square of this medium hot golden curry. I just broke up 1 square for that. That'll give it a nice little taste as well. And you can basically, add whatever you like regarding seasonings. You can even put, like, I wouldn't put the whole packet of the ramen noodle, the little seasoning packet, the chicken seasoning packet. You could put like maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of that in, because you don't want it to be too salty and strong. Of course, if you can eat a lot of salt, and that's fine, but I tend to find those packets are very salty. So I did use like about 1/4 of that in here as well, because I get the sodium-free chicken flavored herbox. So that's that. And then when these noodles are softened a little bit, I'm going to throw those in. And what you do with the chicken, I just chopped the chicken tenders up after I took the fat out into little small pieces, and I fried that up first. Made sure that was all cooked, and then I added the onions, mixed all that around. And of course I put a little bit of seasoning in that too while I was doing that, and then added the water. As you can see, I put about nearly 2 quarts of water in here, and then added I only used 2 potatoes. I just sliced them up into little squares, and I put those in, and the vegetables, carrots, peas, which quite a few of those, the onions, which I fried with the chicken early on, and a little bit of broccoli, and there's the potato squares, there's the chicken pieces. So there you go. And I just cook this until everything gets soft in there. And I'll add my noodles in a minute and just let that cook away. just on like medium, and cover it. And that's about it. You can eat that with some crispy rolls, whatever you like. So the noodles are in there. I did end up putting another pinch of salt after I taste tested, and also one more packet of the Herbox bouillon. And it now tastes absolutely delicious. I can't wait to eat this.